Welcome back, students. So let's continue the chapter the hack driver. In the last video, we have learnt the narrator, the lawyer. He went to the new Malian city, his country, and he was searching for Oliver Lutkins for what? To serve summons of the court. Then he met a delivery man, it means the head driver. He offered the help. Then they started their search around the country. So the way he offered the help to the lawyer or the narrator, he was very much impressed by the nature or behavior. Already he had the conception that villagers are so simple, decent people, that they are peaceful, they love peace, they ready to help any time to a stranger like me. So that is why he was very much impressed. And moreover, that the head driver, he offered him the help that let me go first in the Fritz shop, because what will happen if you go there in those fancy clothes or the such a clothes, what will happen? He will be suspicious and he will run away from you. So let me go first. So that later on the narrator said, I loved him. To whom? That hack driver, because of his help. He might then I might never have found Lutkins. Right? I found Lutkins with the hack driver's knowing help. So that is why that he impressed, and now because of his help the narrator was sure to getting a man, Oliver Lutkins, to serve the summons. And finally, what the narrator did, the narrator, he took him, that hack driver, into his confidence, and he told him, he revealed the fact that why the narrator or the lawyer he had been there, why he came. He told him, that the narrator to the hack driver, that I am here, why? To serve summons on Oliver Lutkins, because we wanted him to as a witness in a law case, and he had refused to be a witness or to give the information. We have already sent so many letters, but he had refused to give the answer, and his information would have quickly settled our case. So that is why I am looking for him to serve summons. And that hack driver, he listened earnestly, very carefully, whatever the narrator, the lawyer said, and finally what he did, he hit at the end, he hit the narrator on his shoulder and he laughed, said finally that don't worry brother, we will give Oliver a little surprise. Let Lutkins a little surprise. Finally that he said. Surprise I wrote in short here. You understand. So later on the narrator, the lawyer said that let us go driver. Let us start the brother or the driver. He said, when he said that let us start driver, that time that hack driver said, most of the people call me Bill, because the narrator called him by the name hack driver something. So that is why he said most of the people call me Bill, some call me William Magnuson, but my business is, for example, hacking and karting. So that is why my name is in this way, Bill Magnuson. It means what is the name of that hack driver? Bill Magnuson is the name of the hack driver. So finally the narrator said, okay, let's start Bill. So finally that when they were proceeding towards Fritz's shop to search Oliver Lutkins, that time that hack driver, it means Bill, that he told the narrator, he said that this man Oliver, that is just as likely to be there as anywhere. And Oliver, or that Lutkins, he plays a lot of pokers, and he is good at where, and he is good at deceiving people. Who said? Bill said to the narrator that always we can find him, this Oliver Lutkins, playing a poker games, and he is very expert, good at deceiving the peoples. That time the narrator felt that he admires, who, that hack driver Bill admires the talent of his dishonesty, that Bill, that Lutkins' dishonesty, that he admires. And the narrator later on felt that if Bill, it means that hack driver, if he had been a policeman, what would have been happened? If he had been a policeman, he would have quickly arrested him easily, and he would have jailed him with proper that much regret, that he would have, if he had been a policeman, he would have arrested and he jailed him. To whom? Oliver Lutkins, that Bill. So in this way, that he was impressed by the nature of Bill, it means the hack driver. So finally, when they reached a Fritz shop, that time Bill, he went first, and the narrator, still that he was lingering, for example, he was staying back, hiding behind Bill. So Bill asked to Fritz, that shop owner, he asked to Fritz that have you seen Oliver Lutkins? He asked to Fritz. That time Fritz surprised, because he knew the fact. So that is why he surprised, and he hesitated to give the answer. Who? That Fritz to Bill. Hesitated, and then finally he admitted. He means who? Fritz admitted, yes, I have seen him. He was here a little while ago. Who said? Fritz said to Bill. After some time hesitating, and then admitted that he was in here a little while ago. And I hope that my guess is that he has gone over to where Gustav's to get a shave. Gustav's shop, barber shop, to get a shave. Who said? Fritz said to Bill that I hope, I guess that definitely he must have gone to a Gustav's shop, barber shop, for to get a shave or the shaving. Once again, after that they started their journey. First of all, Fritz shop, they searched there. Later on, they got the information that he has gone to this and this Gustav's barber shop. Then they started their journey. There also, when they went there, both of them, the narrator and Bill, the hack driver, after that time also Bill, it means that hack driver, he went first in Gustav's shop, that barber shop. And not only he asked a Swedish one, but he asked other two customers about Oliver Lutkins. Who? Bill, that hack driver. He asked first Swedish, and then he asked two customers, other two customers, that have you seen Oliver Lutkins? They said no. But that Swedish man, that Swede, that he said, angrily that he said, that I don't worry about that man. It means I don't care about Oliver Lutkins. I don't have any problem. But if you got this man, just what you do, you take my money from him, because he has to give me $35. Who said that? Said, sir, that he said to Bill that if you are getting that man, you just ask him for my money, $35. He angrily said. And later on, one of the customers that he guessed, that he told Bill that I guess that what I saw him, Oliver Lutkins, that he was walking down main streets. Where? Main streets, the side of the hotel, that I saw him. Oliver Lutkins, that he was going down the main streets side of the hotel. In this way, that he got the another address, right? So now, so far we have seen the two address where that they have searched now. First one is Fritz, second one is Fritz shop, and the next one is Gustav shops that we have seen, right? But they did not find Oliver Lutkins there. Now that they were heading towards the next one to search for Oliver Lutkins, right? So now this is all in this part that we saw. Rest of the things that we will discuss in the next video module. So that's all from me. Thank you and have a good day.